Hello friends, today we're going to transform a scrap bike into an electric cargo vehicle. It's going to be a light and very practical electric cargo vehicle. My brother Ferhat gifted me this scrap bike saying you can make something out of this. I had said that I would make a very nice car out of this. Let's see if you will like it too. First, I am removing all the materials on the bike that I don't need. First, I'm taking off the rims and tires. I won't need the rear gear set up either, so I'm removing them too. I'm also cutting and removing the fork at the front of the bike. I will use the remaining steering part. I am also removing the chain since I do not need the bicycle's chain. From the electric bicycle motor I bought from the junk dealer. I am making a fork to fit the car I'm going to make. To be able to make this fork, I'm trying to apply an electric bike part again. NAM welding profile iron on top of the old wrenches. I adjusted the length according to the cut bicycle fork. I'm going to make a small box at the back of the bike. For this, I first weld the profile irons in a rectangular shape. I determined the dimensions of the case according to myself. It can be made smaller or larger if desired. The profiles I use are 30x30 and 1.5 mm, so it doesn't create that much weight. After preparing the chassis of the case, I drill 2 holes in the bottom. I am widening these holes to the width of the axle in the wheel, so that the wheels do not touch the frame of the case. Mel old virginity. I cut a piece from the water pipe and place it with this way the rim won't touch the box. Could I fit the wheels into the 3 holes? I nicely weld and strengthen them. We have largely completed the case. Now we're securing the model bicycle to the case. I'm welding the bicycle's own chassis directly to the case we've made. I will later strengthen these resources into our profile iron there. Otherwise, it can easily break off. I'm welding the electric bicycle fork that we've prepared ourselves to the front of the bicycle. As I mentioned earlier, securing the sound of the electric bicycle to the case. Since the metal processes of our bicycle are now finished, I am painting the metal parts. I didn't purposely wear out the pedals of the bike. This way it looks better and we can put our feet on this pedal. I will cover the case with a water-resistant control plate after the painting process is finished. I'm securing the majority of it with smart putty. I'm going to make a small trunk on the front side. I'm going to place the brain of the electric bicycle and the batteries here. I'm securing these with smart putty as well. I'm going to secure the 3 batteries needed to run the electric bike into the box I prepared. I'm taking a measure first according to that. I'm going to prepare my box, painting the edges of the box again. I to wrap the box with a tape of cloth. I could have wrapped it all with sheet metal, but I decided to do it this way because I like this appearance more. But of course you can't use that you can't put small items in the back this way because they'd fall through the strips, but 2 large water bottles can't fit in the back. We can easily carry these. I cleverly secure the tapes from the back with wadding so they don't slip. I'm applying the handbrake. Indeed, we only need to attach LG to our electric bicycle. I wrap the sensor and power cable coming out of the electric bicycle's motor around the pliers and take it to the box I prepared at the back. I'm making the inverter connections on the box. That is the driver of the motor. The connections here are very complicated because I got these from scrap. The cables have no socket in any way. I know where everything is by adding all the cables myself. And I make my connections accordingly. There, it might look complicated, but if you buy a ready brain, just installing the soda will be enough for you. I am also fixing the electric bike driver next to the IQs. I am connecting a button to the bicycle to give it forward and backward movement. We've completed our bicycle now. It's time to test it. We think it turned out quite beautiful. What do you think about it? I'm really curious about your comments. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.